Hi everyone, welcome to Arokazo. I think I found a perfect gift for my wife. So I would like to share with you today. This beautiful gift come from Sayabling. So let's see what we have today. We have a beautiful packet and I will show you what we have inside the packet. Wow, it's a very beautiful gift box and I open it. That's the gift from the Sayabling and I will open it after. Before that I would like to say what we have more. Card that explain how to take care of your jewelry that you buy from Sayabling. We have another card that gives you discount for your next purchase. So once you buy the next time from Sayabling, you can use those code to have the discount. That's the time what we have inside the box. I'm very excited. We open the box. Let's see. Wow. Have a look at this. That's a very nice pair of earrings. Is gold plated with a shining stone. That could be a very perfect gift for your loved one, as the Valentine's also is knocking on the door, coming soon. Obviously you can go to the Sayabling. They have plenty of products that maybe you can like it, and also they have different discount. Don't forget to let us know what gift are you buying or you already bought for your loved one for the Valentine's. Stay blessed and don't forget to say love you your loved one. See you next time. Bye bye.